Welcome. If you want to turn on slow charging in your Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus, at the first you have to go for the settings, then you have to find battery and device care, move to the battery and then scroll down and find more battery settings. So when you scroll down, we got charging features, and this option is very good if you want to take care of your battery. So when you are charging your phone slowly, you doesn't reduce the life of your battery. So whenever you have the opportunity to charge your phone slowly, just do it. It will be really good for your battery lifespan. And we have to simply turn off fast charging, super fast charging and fast wireless charging. And that's how we can take care of your battery in Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.